Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
Ooh, y'all. I had to stop through and show y'all this bacon cheeseburger bagel I made earlier. Oh my God. So good, y'all. Okay, let's get into it. I sliced me up some little onions because I'm finna have me some grilled onions on here. I got my bacon. Yes, I got 3 slices. Don't say a damn thing. I got me a burger patty. You lucky I ain't put me 2 burgers because, baby, I was finna have me a double. But, I mean, okay, I need to stop. Oh, yeah. My back getting big. You can't see it, but I can feel it here. Go ahead and get my bacon off of here. I like my bacon a little crispy, but a little soft at the same time, somewhere in the middle. Go ahead and grill up them onions. Go ahead and put me some cheddar cheese on that patty. I'm going to go ahead and put my bacon right on top of that cheese. Y'all, this thing right here hit the spot. I'm telling you. And I don't even like bagels like that. Nobody told me you supposed to grill your bagel or toast your bagel. So, hell, I did not know. But, baby, once I found out, bitch, a bagel hate to see me coming, okay? Get my little seasoning on there. Yes, ma'am. Get that butter on there because you already know what's going on here. A motherfucking plain bagel, bitch. Yes. I'm going to need all my little butter. Gonna sop that up. And yes, girl, I'm going to make this original sauce with the mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard and the Cajun seasoning. It's good. Believe me, it's good. Then I got my little everything bagel. These motherfuckers talking about bagel not included. Like, we don't know that shit. Go ahead and get that on there. Look at that bagel, y'all. So toasty. So roasty. Get my sauce right on there. Yes, I'm going to put some more cheddar cheese. Y'all. Not some more bacon. Y'all didn't see that. Smash that down a little bit. I'm not about to play. Oh, I don't need nothing else. We can get right into this. I'm finna tear this thing up. Toasty on the top. Toasty on the bottom. Oh, y'all. So damn good. Look. Subscribe for more recipes. I'm finna get down on this. Holla at your girl. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.